Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have a 2023 CF MOTO 300 SS model with just under 2,900 miles. It is a one-owner bike. If you are in the market for your first bike that you want to learn on, this is it. Cosmetically, it has few scratches here and there. I will try to go over them. On the tail, see some scuffs. Tank pad. Right side cowling is pretty clean. No scratches, no scuffs. Left side does show some wear. On the nose panel, there's a scuff mark, and then on the tail, you got some scuffs right here. Cosmetically, that's about it. Mechanically, again, the bike is solid. $2,879 miles. ABS, yes, this thing has ABS on it. Stock exhaust. Healthy motor, sounds as it should, shifts as it should. And for more details, visit us at h&hcycles.com, and thank you for watching.